Yeah, man, now we're talking. Ferrari 488 Spider. Oh man, this thing is sick. I need one in my life. Cruise down the coast with the top down. Black leather, red stitching. Oh, beautiful Ferrari emblem. Yeah, man, this is cool. This is cool. A new one. Check Ferrari red. Absolutely beautiful, man. So the quickest way to tell the roadster between the GTB is this little section here. The GTB's got a flat piece of glass. Stunning. Alright guys, so we had our friends at 19 Auto. They've got Ariel Atom, as you saw in the title, and YT, the owner of 19 Auto Garage, has kindly let us come and have a look at their showroom and offered to take us for a ride in the Ariel Atom as well. So I'm very excited because I've never actually seen one, and they are actually mind-blowingly fast. So I'm actually a little bit nervous to see what kind of G-forces we're going to be expecting, but I think it's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, we'll take you guys around the showroom, and then yeah, you guys can enjoy the Ariel Atom. I think it's going to be sick. A nice BMW M6 here. Carbon ceramic brakes. Ooh, that's nice, man. It's a nice spec. Looks clean. I think this actually has really low mileage. If you guys are keen on a BMW M6 or any of these cars, I'll put a link to 19's websites in the description. These are really beautiful. I love these cars. Porsches are Porsches. I mean, they are flipping. Porsches are beautiful. But this is a really good spec. I like this car a lot. It's got full Alcantara on the inside, panoramic sunroof, and it's just overall great car. And the value for money, it's just brilliant. You get your performance. It's a daily driver, and it looks very good. Come on, you can't tell me this car doesn't look good. Stunning, man. And we've got two arch nemesis here. Got the C63S versus the BMW M3. Which one would you take? I think I obviously have an M4, but it's black on black, looks really sick. It's got the 4-Steiner wheels, which is quite a nice added bonus. The wrap looks pretty cool. Got a Bentley Continental if you guys want to travel. Again, very, very fast in super luxury. A45, CLA 45, sorry. Very nice car as well. Nice and nippy, good daily driver, comfortable. All the functions that you'll need. MG GT Roadster, solid car as well. Instead of buying the 488, save the money for modifications on one of these. I suppose it's also another option. Very cool. What would you guys take? 488 Spider or MG GT Roadster? Nice old school Porsche 911 Carrera S. I think I'm starting to fall in love with Porsches. Check how sick this thing is. A Viper. In South Africa we don't see these like at all, almost never. This is really cool. V10, I think this thing's got like an 8 litre V10 or 7.2 litre or something. So it's a monster. It's basically a really light car with a truck motor. Really cool though. Sick. I like the newer ones. I think it's called the ASR. Very sick cars, man. If cars aren't enough for you, you can always get a Ducati Panigale R. Things are beautiful. But you need huge, massive, gigantic balls to drive one of these properly. Let's get a closer look. Look at the carbon pieces. Damn, man. Remember brakes. No, this is proper. Very cool. Nice decals, Ducati. Would you guys say Ducati's kind of like the Ferrari of motorbikes? Possibly, yeah. So sick. And the showroom is looking good. I think Whitey knows exactly what he's doing. So your front desk, boardroom table, got a bar. This place is looking sick. I'm gonna put my bedroom in here. If I was a bachelor, I'd so live in here. But the cars have to come with it. Jaguar XKR. Sick car. I wanna take you guys down here. Got two Brabus G-Wagons. Damn, these things are sick. How cool these are. This is definitely, I think, a garage must. You know, you have your supercars, your sports cars, your track cars, but you need like an SUV, man. And for me, these are one of the ultimate. And they're good looking. They're fast. They sound good. They're luxurious. I'm not too sure how they off-road. They're probably not very good, but that's why you have off-road car, you know. Dakar Readiness Navara. Ooh, hello. Jeez, I need to get my car a wash immediately. my word. Maybe I'll bring it to 1.9. They do also detailing. All right, now for the moment of truth, set your eyes upon the beautiful Ariel Atom. Boom. How sick is this thing? This thing is so cool. I've been looking at it all morning and I can't take my eyes off it. It's so cool. I'm so excited to go for a drive because reading the specs on this thing, it's mind-blowing. So there were, I think, 4 different engines. You could get them from 1800 or 1.8 litre, 2 litre, 2.2 and 2.4. And then there was a 3 litre V8. So all ranging from about, I think, 250 horsepower up to 500 horsepower if you got the V8 model. This is the 2.4 supercharged Honda motor. So it's it's a machine. 0 to 100 should be like, I think, 2.8 seconds. Top speeds, I don't know if it's limited, but I mean, in theory, it should go about 300. It says 260 on the limits on the speedometer, which is kilometers per hour. But let's have a look here. Got a sick wing. It's fully carbon. Let's get that bum nice into the ground. It's effectively an open wheel car for the road. A lot of power, no weight. I think it weighs about 600 kilos, which is like next to nothing. Got this perspex or whatever, so you can, look out the window if you have to. But yeah, overall, I think it's just a really good looking car, man. When a car comes with semi-slicks from the factory, it's it means business. As a track weapon, I think pound for pound money value, this thing is solid. You'll take on pretty much most supercars. I'd say not all, but most supercars. And yeah, you wouldn't just beat them, you'd probably embarrass them. So just notice now, you got a full race style steering wheel, just a quick clip off. How cool is that? Alright, so I just climbed into that. It's not the most majestic way of climbing into a car, but yeah, have a look at it from a point of view. Man, sick. Oh, jeez, that's such a short clutch. Gee, that is right there. Sick, man. You got steel, again with your perspex windows, so you can see the ground. Let's take a look and see what it looks like with the steering wheel. Very cool, man. So yeah, I can imagine this being a lot of fun on the track. It's very tight, and very compact in here. I don't think there's much adjustment, but it's obviously its main focus is track and being faster than speed, So just in case you're wondering about how hard the wind smacks you in the face at 260 km an hour, they were kind enough to give you this, I don't know if that's a wind deflector or more of maybe like a bug deflector. Maybe if you like, you should stop once you fly. We are right next to an airport, so it's perfect planes. If you guys take a closer look here, you can see pretty much the steering mechanism, pedals, brake fluids, nice shifter, nice exposed metal. Yep, this thing's sick. Let's have a quick look at the motor. Oh, very cool. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a bit tucked in there, but this is the supercharged version. There were twin turbo versions as well, but I think this is one of 12 Atoms that were supercharged from the factory. So it makes this quite a rare car. I mean, this is not something you see every day. It's the first time I'm seeing one. Quite keen to see how this sounds out, because you're going to hear this induction right next to your head while you're sitting. It's going to sound pretty epic. So here's the man himself, buddy. What's happening?
How's it, brother?
Yeah, good on you, man. Thanks for bringing us or letting us in your showroom.
On your pleasure.
I was just telling the guys how good it looks.
Thanks.
Yeah, if you get tired of styling cars, you can probably do some interior decorating. You'll make a killing of it.
Thank you.
But yeah, I mean, thanks again. I don't know if do you want to tell the guys how long you've been doing what you've been doing?
So we started a company called Laguna Cars many years ago, and then we bought into Automania, and I've started this on 3 months now, so 19 Auto is mine. But yeah, I've been in the industry for good some time, so many years, probably I'd say close to 13 years already.
Okay, so you know the ins and outs.
Yeah.
So they say. Yeah, I mean, I was here 4 or 5 weeks ago, maybe 6 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And the amount of stock that you've got is like doubled with some really quality cars. So I mean, watch your space. 19 Auto is going to be power.
Thanks, bud. I appreciate that.
Well, we should go for a drive. I'm quite keen to see what this can do.
Okay, lekker. Let's get it warmed up.
Yeah, cool. There you go. Feels like raw, like proper mechanics.
Accelerates quick, man.
Oh. It's amazing. I'm just getting my nutsack out my stomach. No, that's flipping awesome, man.
That's to start seeing after 4th gear.
Clutch is short, eh?
Yeah.
Jeez, like I was expecting it to be quite hard when I pressed it, but it was so easy. It was right there.
Short clutch.
Yeah.
And I'm too big for this car, so
Yeah, I felt earlier when I climbed in, I was also like, fuck, this is very tight. You can't adjust it at all.
we'll bolt the seat out and push it.
Okay.
So adjustments, like a racing seat.
So it makes proper whine in your ear, eh? Fucking hell. 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Oh man. My heart beating. Thank you.
Pleasure, bud.
That was sick.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, that was very cool, man.
Okay.
Yeah, try to get out of these the straight jacket. Oh shit. Well, that was sick. Like I said to Wadi earlier, I need to get my nutsack out of my stomach because this thing launches like something I've actually never experienced before. But yeah, I got my heart beating, a little adrenaline rush. Sure, thank you so much.
Only a pleasure, bud.
It was really, really sick.
Only a pleasure, anytime.
Yeah, so
Enjoy it.
yeah, very cool, man. So yeah, I think the next time we'll be at 19, we'll probably be shopping for our own cars. So,
Hopefully. Come fast.
yeah, definitely. Alright, so that was so sick. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Wati, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys again soon. And yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps us grow the channel. We've got some really exciting stuff planned ahead. So yeah, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. And yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Sweet.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.